Hey there viewer, welcome to the next video in the Lightning App Builder module. This one is about building an app home Lightning page. The learning objectives are, after completing this unit, you will be able to add component to a Lightning page, configure the properties of a Lightning page and a Lightning component, add actions to a Lightning page, add a Lightning page to Lightning Experience and the mobile app. The app home Lightning page, add a custom homepage for an app to the Salesforce mobile app and Lightning Experience app navigation bars to let your users easily access the objects and items that are most important in that app. You can see it here, pipeline by stage and that kind of stuff. Create an app page. Let's build an app homepage for a sales team. Your sales team needs to see top deals in the pipeline with a visual interface that makes it easy to absorb key details at a glance. They want to see the most recent opportunities they have viewed and be able to drill into the record details with a single tap or click. They want functionality to log calls and create accounts and opportunities on the go. So let's launch the, what's it called, sandbox here, and go to the app builder. Click New App Page and then click Next. Name your Lightning page, top accounts and opportunities. Select the two regions template and click Finish. If the Lightning App Builder walkthrough pops up, dismissive, drag the list view component into the first region. In the Properties pane under Filter, select Platinum and Gold SLA Customers View and set the number of records to display to 5. In the Properties pane under Filter, I think that's this one. Yes, Platinum and Gold SLA customers. Add recent items component into the second region. In the Properties pane, for the Recent Items component, click Select and add the Opportunity object to it. There we go. In the Properties pane, click Page, click Select, and add these actions. Click Page, okay. Log call, that's what they wanted, and what else? New account, new opportunity. You can add only global actions to a Lightning app page. From the toolbar, change the view to tablet landscape, click Save, and then Not Yet. Now that you've created your page, you're almost ready to add it to Lightning Experience in the mobile app. Add your app page to Lightning Experience and the Salesforce mobile app. Just like the other pages, your users can access your app page until you activate it. During activation, you can customize the page custom tab label, adjust its visibility, and set its position in the Salesforce mobile app and Lightning Experience app navigation bars all in one place. Click Activation, don't change the app name. By default, the label that you give the Lightning page is used as a label for its custom tab. Change the icon to the blue lightning bolt icon. Keep the visibility open to all users. Click the Lightning Experience tab, select the Sales app and click Add Page to App. Page you're adding to the menu appears in the second position by default. Let's leave it there. If you put it into the top position, it becomes a landing page for all your Lightning Experience users. Click the Mobile Navigation tab. Select Mobile Navigation menu and click Add Page to App. Let's add the app page to the mobile navigation in Salesforce mobile web browser and in the mobile-only Lightning app in Salesforce mobile app. Adding the page to the Sales app in Lightning Experience, like we did previously, ensures that the app page appears in the Sales app within the Salesforce mobile app as well. By default, new pages you add to the mobile navigation in Salesforce mobile web browser and the mobile-only app appear below the Smart Search item menu. If you leave the top accounts and opportunity page there, it will appear in the apps section of the menu. We don't want that, so let's move it up. I'm just gonna drag the top accounts and opportunities up. That's how I interpret what I've just read. And then we drag the page below the today menu item. Okay. Click Save. Your app homepage is now ready for your mobile and Lightning Experience users. Test your app in the Lightning Experience. You've created your page and activated. Now let's see it in action. If you're still in the app builder, click back, return to setup, app launcher, click sales, and so on and so forth. I think it hasn't been activated, or did we activate it? Alright, I think that was the activation step. I already forgot. So let's see. Sales view. Let's open this. Click top accounts and opportunities from the app navigation bar. There we have it. And now we have the Platinum and Gold SLA customers and recent items here. All looks good, looks like it looks here. Test your app in Salesforce Mobile. Not going to do this, so let's get straight to the hands-on challenge. Create a Lightning app using standard components to easily organize and access your key data. Create a Lightning app using a Lightning app builder that utilizes some standard components. Challenge requirements. Create a new Lightning app page. Type app page. Label my data. Template one region. Add the recent items standard component with the label recent items. Recent items should include the following objects: account, contact, lead. Contact. Activate the app and select Activate for all users. Have the app anywhere on the mobile navigation menu. Almost forgot that, so I add the page to the app. And that's it. And we got the 500 points. Let's tackle the next unit. You can find the video either on the upper right in the related videos or in the description below. There should be a playlist link. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.